How to build CLI tools for ML deployment. In this video, you'll learn how to create efficient command line interfaces for automating machine learning model deployment, covering essential skills like Python environment setup, Docker integration, and error handling.
In the rapidly evolving tech landscape, deploying machine learning models efficiently is critical. Command line interface (CLI) tools can be game changers, streamlining repetitive tasks and enhancing scalability. By automating deployment processes, CLI tools provide data scientists with a seamless workflow, allowing them to focus on what truly matters: building better models. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know to create your own CLI tool for ML deployment, from setting up your Python environment to integrating Docker and implementing best practices for user experience. Let's dive in. Before diving into CLI tool development, setting up a robust Python environment is essential. Start by creating a virtual environment to isolate your project's dependencies. This ensures that your CLI tool can run independently without conflicting with other projects. Use pip to install necessary Python packages like Argparse and Docker SDK. It's crucial to ensure your Python version is compatible with these packages. Set up a basic project structure with directories for source code, tests, and documentation. Finally, configure your integrated development environment (IDE) for efficient coding, with plugins for linting and debugging. This preparation will streamline your development process.
The Argparse module is a powerful tool for parsing command line arguments in Python. Start by defining your CLI tool's expected arguments and subcommands using Argparse. This not only simplifies the parsing process but also enhances user experience by providing clear help messages. Implement these help messages to guide users on how to use each command effectively. Use default values for optional arguments to streamline the user input process. Once setup is complete, test your argument parsing with various sample inputs to ensure reliability. Mastering Argparse is a critical step in creating user-friendly CLI tools. Docker is a cornerstone for modern software deployment, offering consistent environments across different stages. Begin by creating a Docker file for your ML model, specifying the base image, dependencies, and entry points. For more complex applications, utilize Docker Compose to manage multi-container setups. Automate your Docker image builds and deployments to streamline the process, reducing manual errors. Testing your Docker containers locally is crucial before moving to production, ensuring that everything works seamlessly. By integrating Docker, you can achieve scalable and reliable deployments, vital for efficient ML operations.
Model version control is crucial for tracking changes and collaborating in ML projects. It is a powerful tool for managing these versions. By implementing tagging, you can easily identify and roll back to specific model versions when needed. Automate versioning in your CLI tool to streamline the process, ensuring that every update or modification to your model is tracked. Maintaining a detailed changelog provides transparency and aids in debugging. By incorporating these practices into your CLI tool, you foster a collaborative environment and ensure consistency across model iterations.
Error handling and logging are fundamental for creating reliable CLI tools. Utilize try-except blocks to catch and manage exceptions, preventing your tool from crashing unexpectedly. Implement a structured logging system to record errors and other significant events for post-mortem analysis. Use different logging levels like debug, info, warning, and error to categorize log messages, enhancing clarity. Automate log file rotation and management to prevent disk space issues. By incorporating robust error handling and logging, you ensure that your CLI tool is not only reliable but also maintainable over time.
Creating a user-friendly CLI tool is paramount for adoption and efficiency. An intuitive command structure is essential, making it easier for users to navigate and use your tool. Provide clear and concise help messages to assist users in understanding available commands and their usage. Implement command aliases for frequently used actions to enhance efficiency. Ensure your CLI tool provides quick feedback to user commands, maintaining a responsive and interactive experience. Design your tool with accessibility in mind, catering to various user needs. These best practices ensure that your CLI tool is not only functional but also delightful to use. Testing is a crucial phase in CLI tool development, ensuring reliability and performance. Start with unit tests to validate individual components of your tool. Implement integration tests to assess the overall functionality and interaction between different parts of the tool. Use test cases and logging to debug and identify issues efficiently. Integrating automated testing into your development pipeline ensures consistent quality checks and quicker iterations. By prioritizing testing and debugging, you create a robust CLI tool that performs reliably in various scenarios, meeting user expectations.
Continuous integration and deployment, C/CD, are pivotal in automating the deployment processes of CLI tools. Tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions facilitate this automation, allowing seamless integration of build, test, and deployment stages. By establishing a C/CD pipeline, you can ensure that every change is tested and deployed efficiently. Monitor deployments with feedback loops to quickly identify and rectify issues. Maintain deployment scripts to ensure consistency across environments. Implementing C/CD practices not only streamlines your workflow but also enhances the reliability and scalability of your CLI tools. Security is paramount in CLI tool development, particularly when handling sensitive data or executing critical operations. Encrypt sensitive data to protect it from unauthorized access. Implement authentication mechanisms for commands that require restricted access, ensuring only authorized users can execute them. Regularly update your dependencies to patch known vulnerabilities. Conduct security audits and penetration testing to identify and mitigate potential threats. Educate your users on secure CLI practices, such as avoiding plain text storage of sensitive information. By prioritizing security considerations, you safeguard your tools and their users from potential risks.
Congratulations on reaching the end of this tutorial on building CLI tools for ML deployment. By applying these practices, you can significantly enhance your ML workflows. Experiment with advanced CLI features to further optimize your tools. Join communities to share insights and gain new perspectives on CLI tool development. Share your creations with the community, fostering collaboration and innovation. Explore additional resources to continue learning and stay updated with the latest trends. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Comment below with what you'd like to learn next.